Here's how we carry out cavity wall insulation extraction from start to finish. We begin with site setup, placing barriers around the work area and displaying clear men at work signs to keep the site safe and organised. Next, we perform internal checks, including inspections of the gas fire, boiler and inside cupboards. We then drill out using the original injection pattern in the previous installation. Using the scope, we check for any voids or gaps within the cavity. Next, we remove a few bricks to create an access point for the extraction equipment. The extraction hose and air line are inserted into the cavity and the process of removing the failed insulation begins. We continue to check progress with a scope, ensuring the cavity is completely clear before moving on, and then once the extraction is complete, we relay the removed bricks and finish them with a neat sand and cement mix. Finally, we tidy up the work area, leaving everything clean and tidy as we found it, and that's the job complete.